Hello, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today I have for you a booty and abs burner. It's 15 minutes, follow along. I'm Gabby. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure you give me a like and a comment after the video and leave me any feedback down below. Each exercise is either going to be 2 minutes or 1 minute long, but there's going to be a timer in the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into each exercise, and I will also put the name on the screen. Let's get straight into your workout. Come into your first position, bring the feet wider than the hips, turn the legs out, hands crossed together, drop down, lift up, press down, lift up. So you want to bring the knees over the top of the middle toe. Do not let your knees cave inwards here. You want to go drop, lift up. So you're just warming up the legs here. You're going to warm up the thighs, warm up the booty, warm up the whole of your body, ready for your booty and ab toner today. Drop down, lift up. Now this is a really great one. I prefer teaching this over a normal squat because there's so many things that can go wrong in a normal squat. You don't get a burnout. This one, you are sure to get a burnout as long as you keep pressing these over the top of the middle toe. Feet are wide in the hips. Keep going. 4 more of them. Hold in. 3, lift up. 2, then you're going to hold low. Last one. Now send the tailbone nice and low to the floor. Clasp the hands together. Pitch that chest upright. Little tiny squeezes down for 7, for 6. Little squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Straight down to the floor. Bring your right forearm all the way on towards the floor, left hand to the side, right knee to the floor, lift the left leg all the way up. Then you're going to send the toe down to the floor, lift it back up, send it to the side, back up again. So you're going to come all the way down to the floor, lift the leg up, toe to the side, then up again. So you've got your right forearm down towards the floor, left hand is just out to the side supporting, and your left leg is working. Now hip placement, what is going on with your hips? The hip is open here. Tap the toe down, lift the leg, draw to the outside. Now every time you go to the outside, really make sure you're sweeping that leg right to the outside. We go to the side, lift up, now down through the center, lift it back up, keep breathing, inhale, keep breathing, exhale. Now as I said at the beginning, this is a 2-minute exercise just with this one. Lift all the way up, tap down to the floor, squeeze it, lift, now go out to the side, back to the ceiling, keep that hip open, keep that leg nice and straight all the way up. We got 3 more, then we're going to hold up to the ceiling. You got 2 more, tap, lift all the way up, keep going. 1 more. Now you're going to lift up, keep the hip open. Now really try to get that toe right up to the ceiling. Hold still, just don't drop out. I know it's burning. Now add a little tiny lift of the leg. Whew, it burns. Go squeeze and squeeze, really extend the knee joint, open through the hip. This should get in towards the outside of your glute, your gluteus medius. Should be burning, shaking, little up, little up. We got 20 more seconds here left to go. Keep squeezing that toe as high as you possibly can. Inhale, exhale, now pull the abs in, nice and strong, squeeze the toe high, open the hip. You have it, you've just got 7, 6, 5, keep pushing up, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Same working leg. Sweep the leg all the way forwards and then lay yourself down into a bridge position. Now lift the hips up. Your left leg is on the floor, right knee comes to the chest. And then you're going to tap the hip bones all the way down to the floor, all the way back up and lift. All the way down. Tap one of my favorite exercises, up, squeeze and lift. Slowly down with the hips, slowly up, squeeze and lift. So you're pushing the hip bones nice and high all the way up towards the ceiling. Now this left heel is directly underneath your knee in a gorgeous straight line. That is really to get into those glutes. Now you'll be happy to know this one is so great for giving you a round, perky butt. It makes it round. It's going to look so good in those dresses. It is worth the burn right now. Squeeze all the way and lift, push all the way down. Whew. Squeeze up, press and lift. Keep going. I know it's so hot here today, but we're going to power through. All the way down. Tap the hip, squeeze up and lift. Keep going. We've got 4 more of these to go. Up to the ceiling. Every time you lift, squeeze the glutes together. 3 more here. Push the hips, squeeze those glutes together. How badly do you want it? 2 more. Squeeze up, press and lift. 1 more. Tap the hips. Now you're gonna lift up. Your shoulder blades are still on the floor. If you can reach the hands high, you don't have to. Now dig this heel in. You've got it. Little pulses. Up with the hips. Squeeze and squeeze. We go up, up, up. Squeezing those hips nice and high. Can you pull your glutes together any tighter? Your left glutes should be shaking right now. It should be on fire. You should hate me right now. Squeeze those hips nice and high. Give me 20 more seconds here, and then we're going straight in towards a butterfly bridge. Lift and squeeze. You've got it. Up and up. Keep going and squeeze. We have a final 10 more seconds here. Squeeze those glutes together. Lift those hips high. You have 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. No time for a break. Send the soles of the feet together. Open the knees up. Bring the hands to the side. Butterfly bridge. We go lift, lower, lift up, drop down. Now this one is so great for getting into the outside of your glutes. Lift up, lower down. Again, if you want this even harder, if you want it to burn even more, squeeze the glutes together on the up, uplift, squeeze, and lower, uplift, and drop. Now, if you're feeling absolutely hardcore, like you really want to make the change today, you can always lift your hands up to the ceiling. Lift up, drop down. Now for this last 20 seconds here, we're going to go into a little cardio sprint. If you want to stay at this pace, feel free. If not, we go down, up, down, squeeze, keep going. Now keep the knees open, soles of the feet together, squeeze the glutes together. How badly do you want that change? Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Inhale, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Rock back, rock forwards. No time to think about the burn. Second side. Your left forearm comes down, right hand to the side, right leg extends up. You must have that other leg. All the way now to the side, squeeze, lift it back to the ceiling. Again, your hips are open, your abs are drawn in, super nice and strong. All the way, squeeze and lift. All the way down, tap the toe, up, lift. So I'm going to the side, returning back to the ceiling, drawing a straight line to the floor, and the whole time my hip is open. That is to really get into the outside of the glute. All the way down, tap, lift up to the ceiling and keep going. You get that knee joint nice and straight. All the way up, lift. Is it burning yet? Squeeze the toe nice and high, stick with me. All the way, push, lift up. Really go to the outside to really get the benefit from this exercise. Down to the floor, squeeze up, lift. You have another minute here in this exercise. We're gonna hold at the end for that extra little burnout. Keep going. Can you pull the abs in tighter? Pressing down through that left forearm, keeping the hip open. You've got 3 more, then we're gonna find stillness at the top. 2, out to the side. Last one, now you're gonna up and hold, open the hip. We're gonna go little squeezes. You know what's coming. Up, whoo, up and up. If you want it more advanced here, push something heavy to the ceiling. Do not move your hips. It is all about the external rotation through your right hip to make the change you want today. Little squeeze up, up. I really want to drop out, but we are not going to drop out today. We're going to keep going. Go squeeze. Press the ceiling away. Can you get your toe higher? Can you open the hip more? Push through your glute. Keep going. 15 seconds now. Then we're going to go into that single leg bridge. Lift, whoo, squeeze. You have it. Push harder. 7, 6, 5, 4. Push harder. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Sweep the feet round in front of yourself again. So the feet come round. Lay down on the floor. Right leg was the leg in the air, so that needs to go on the floor now. And bring the left leg in. Push the hips nice and high now. Down with the hips. Up with the hips. Down with the hips, up with the hips. If you want this harder, dig that right heel in and take the toes off the floor. Down with the hips, lift with the hips. So if you really feel like burning out today, you really want to challenge your glutes, option is to take this whole thing this side, maybe reach the hands off the floor, see how that feels. Can you get through the full exercise? If not, you're going to bring those hands back down. All the way down with the hips, all the way push and lift. Now the glutes need to be the same level off the floor. So as you press the hips, one doesn't push up first, they both push up together. That's how you're gonna get the results. All the way down, all the way, squeeze up and lift. Keep breathing, I know it's a tough booty burner today. All the way, squeeze and lift, push. Oh, lower the hip. Oh, press, lift up. Keep on going. Now we're gonna take 4 more of these and I'm gonna hold. You know what is coming, that pulsing action. the one that's going to fatigue out your muscle, the one that's going to make the change. 2 more here. Squeeze up, lift and push all the way down. Now last one, you're going to lift up, press and hold. Option stay here, option can you lift the hand up. Now little tiny lift your hips. Again, remember the glutes are the same level up and away from the floor. You want to get towards your burnout. You want your glutes shaking, you want them burning, you want that fatigue to happen. That is how you're going to build the muscle tissue, make the change, you get a really round, perky butt. Keep going, lift, squeeze and squeeze. We have this, 15 more seconds to go. So squeeze, go up, you've got it, up. Whew. Lift, just go. 8, we can do it. Squeeze the glutes together. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. You're gonna hug the knees in, give yourself a little rock side to side. Then you're gonna rock yourself back, rock yourself all the way up forward. You're gonna come straight round, so your hands come underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips, in towards a bird dog. This is where your abs and glutes are gonna get involved. Extend your left leg backwards, lift the left leg up and away, and then from here, try to bring your opposite hand away from the floor. Now just hold that for me, squeeze your abs in nice and tight. Now slowly bring elbow towards your knee, inhale, exhale, reach out, then hold all the way in. So bird dog is so great. It's great for your shoulders to find in your arms. It's great for your glutes. It's also great for your abs and working on your core. So do not let your chest press down. Keep the abs squeezing in. Extend all the way out. Keep on going. Inhale, bringing it in. Exhale, press, lengthen and hold. You've just got another 30 more seconds. All the way, press, reach, lengthen. All the way in. Push and lengthen. We're going to take 1 more of these. Bring elbow to knee. Now push, lengthen, hold. Reach the hand away. Reach the toe away. You've got this. Now pull your navel away from the floor right now as tight as you can. Press the ribs together. You're trying to knit the ribs together. Now little tiny lift. Lift your pulse in your arm and your leg. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No time to die and wallow in how painful that was. Opposite side. Opposite elbow, opposite knee. Press and lengthen. Now so many people that I teach, they go same arm, same leg. I don't want that. I want opposite arm, opposite leg. That's how you're going to challenge your core and really work into that shoulder, into your glute, into your abs, working on that stabilizing action. Squeeze in. Great as well for posture, this one. Inhale, bringing it in. Exhale, push out and reach. You have 3 more of these to go. You're going to hate me by the end of this video. You've got 2 more of these to go. Squeeze it in. Exhale, push all the way out. 1 more, bringing it in. Now you're going to press, reach and hold. Lengthen your arm, lengthen your leg. Little lifts up here, 15 seconds. Up, go squeeze, go lift. Your arm is long, your leg is long. Squeeze, hips are down to the floor. The navel is pulling in. Little up, keep going. You've just got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are not done yet. I promise you an ab burnout, you're gonna get a ab burnout. Bring the feet round in front of yourself, lower yourself down towards the floor. Interlace the fingertips, bring the hands behind the head. Breathing in, exhale, chin towards your chest, lift into a crunch, and all the way back down to the floor. So if you've got any head, neck, spine injuries, make sure you're really gripping into the base of your skull here to support the neck, and then bring your chin to your chest, eye line over the top of your thighs and all the way down. Now you can either keep going at that speed here if you want to, or you can join me. We're gonna go faster. Up, single count sit up, single count crunches here, lower back down, go squeeze up, lower down, whichever speed is good for you. I want you to take that as long as you're challenging your abs. Now you should immediately start to feel this in your upper abdominals here. We are working your rectus abdominals, that top layer, that six-pack area that everyone envisions. That's where you're working right now, so give it everything. Lift up, lower down, keep going, go drop, go squeeze up. You've got it, up and down. You've got 5, 4 of them are gonna hold, 3 of them are gonna hold, go 2, last one, you're gonna lift and hold, reach the hands long, now press the palms down, chin to chest, reach your fingertips all the way past your shins, now push the palms down, press, 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 press. You've got this. This is the end of your booty and abs workout, so give me everything, push the palms down. You got 10, 9, 8, 7, push those palms down, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. well done. Those abs should feel truly engaged and worked right now. Draw the knees in towards the chest. Give yourself a little rock. And then from here, rock yourself back, rock yourself all the way up and forwards. And well done in your booty and abs workout today. I can still feel my abs burning. Well done everybody. Make sure you drop me a comment down below. Let me know how much you loved the video. Leave me any feedback, what you would like to see next. I love hearing from you guys. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Give it a thumbs up. See you all soon.